how to download videos from your Thinkware F200 Pro to an iPhone. I'm Ben from SafeDrive Solutions, your dashcam specialists. Now, if you're looking for how to pair your phone from an iPhone to a Thinkware F200 Pro, please look up top here. This will be the link for that video that will actually help you out. If you're looking for how to download videos from your iPhone, look no further. This is the video for you. So first things first, we're already connected to the phone. Okay, and we're going to go right into File List. Okay, and when we go into File List, there's multiple different files. So first things first, there's continuous incident, motion detection, parking incident, manual recording, and downloaded videos. So continuous recording is all the videos while you're driving. Typically, it comes with a 32 gig card most of the times, which is about 2 hours of continuous record time. And as it fills up, it'll delete an old 1 minute video file and record a new 1 minute video file. Continuous incident. This is where any impacts happen while driving. So speed bumps, potholes, aggressive braking, car accidents. These kind of videos will go into this file. Motion detection. If you have parking mode activated, this is where certain videos will go if you're using motion detection or time lapse. If you get hit while parked, it will go into the parking incident file. Manual recording. Now, if you're driving and you see an accident and you hit the manual recording button, this is where those videos will go. Downloaded videos is where a video will go if you download any of the videos from these 5 folders, and then you'll have to go in there to export it to your phone. So let's go into continuous. And so continuous, as you can see, there's a bunch of videos in here, and they are all front because we didn't have the rear camera hooked up for this demo. And if you just click on one of the front videos there, you can see it's going to come up. I just have all the and we can see the video, which is great. And now, if we decided we want to download it, the 3 dots at the right-hand side of the video, not the ones at the bottom right corner. Okay, make sure you don't hit the ones at the bottom right corner, because if you hit that, you're going into a completely different screen. So we want to hit the 3 dots there. It'll come up as download. So if we go and we download it, as you can see, it usually takes anywhere from about 30 seconds to a minute for your average video file download. Okay, there we go. Download complete. So now we're going to go to downloaded videos. And as you can see right here, we can hit the you can go in and view it here again, or you can hit the 3 dots and see it says export. So now I can take this, export files to album. Now if I back out of the unit and go into my photos, you can see, you can go into the album called Thinkware Dashcam, because that's what my iPhone did, and now I have a copy of the video showing up here. So that's how you download a video from a Thinkware F200 Pro to an iPhone. Now, if you do have any questions, please put them down below in the comments. We're happy to help, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.